Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. This past week, I think either Sunday or Monday, I posted a video on how to make pizza. And if you like making pizza, it's a really great video. I go into in-depth how to make dough and sauce and cheese and all that other fun stuff. The thing is, it takes a long time. It literally takes, by the time the pizza dough rises, it's a 3-hour project. If it's on a Sunday and it's either snowing out or raining out and you want to do something with the kids, it's really great to make pizza. However, you come home from work, you're hungry, you don't feel like going out again. So I'm going to show you how to make pizza in 5 minutes. It's what I actually do at home. I do it all the time because I love pizza. And I like fresh pizza. I like things that are fresh. So anyway, let's jump right in. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends, hit the bell. Please leave your comments below. Anyway, let's jump right into this. It's very quick and easy. It's literally 5-minute pizza. Over here, I have some 8-inch tortillas. These are flour tortillas. However, you can use 6-inch, 12-inch. You can use any size. It doesn't make a difference. I do have a pizza stone heating up in the oven. Having a pizza stone does help. You can do it on a sheet pan. If you do it on a sheet pan, you may have to spray the bottom so it doesn't stick and probably won't get as crisp. But if you have a pizza stone, it's better. Anyway, so I'm going to be making 2 of these at a time. I'm going to put 2 of these on my pizza board. If you don't have a pizza board, you can just put it on a pan, like put it on a sheet pan and pull it. It's basically the same thing. So the first thing is, this is really thin crust for pizza, so we actually have to make it a little bit thicker. So we're actually going to glue another one on top. David, do you have the Elmer's glue? No, I mean, forget the Elmer's glue. We're going to just use a little bit of cheese. We're not going to go nuts with the cheese. Just going to take a little bit. Put some cheese on. And the cheese actually acts like glue. Almost as good as the Elmer's. Just like that. Do this one. Just try to get to the edges a little bit. It doesn't have to, not go over. I'm going to put another one on top. Just push it down a little bit so it sticks. I'm going to put some sauce. This is just Barilla tomato and basil sauce. You can use whatever type of sauce you like. However, just make sure that the sauce has some flavoring. If you're using just like a regular tomato sauce, add some salt, pepper, granulated garlic, basil, oregano. You may want to put just a drop of sugar in there. So anyway, for the sauce, we'll add just a drop more. That's good. Same thing with this one. Good. Put some, so you notice I have some vegetables. I like pizza with vegetables. Actually, my cameraman David actually likes it with vegetables. If you saw my video last week, there were bigger style vegetables because they were going on a big pizza. Because this is very small, the vegetables are cut up. So I'm going to put just a very small amount of cheese on. I'm going to put some mushrooms. Feel free to add whatever vegetables you like. Today I'm using peppers, onions, tomatoes, and mushrooms. But whatever you like is great. Still a little bit from this one. Good. I'll throw some onion on there. In the beginning of the pandemic, my neighbor, Lysandra, taught me how to do this. I actually never did this before, but she's actually a really good cook. And she's always cooking for her kids. And one day she's making pizza, and I was just watching her, and I found it very interesting. So it's actually her recipe, so I do give her credit for this. And we're going to add some peppers. Got some red and yellow peppers. That's good. And we're going to finish it with some more cheese. So my oven's at 480 degrees, which is pretty hot. Gonna give it a nice crisp crust, like regular pizza. Make sure you grab both tortillas. This one's gonna go in the back. Try not to burn yourself, because pizza stone is hot. I will show you what that looks like in 10 minutes, about 8 to 10 minutes. See you soon. Hi everyone, so we're back. It's been right about 8 minutes. And our tortillas are done, or pizzas are done, I should say. Careful, they're very hot. See, it has a nice crisp crust. And lunch is served. So our pizzas have been out for 3 or 4 minutes. You can't eat it when it's like piping hot. I'll burn my mouth. Anyway, but I do want to try it, see how it came out. It's actually really good, really good. The better the sauce that you use, the better the quality pizza. But it's actually nice and crisp, like it has a real nice flavor. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be well.